Gago eme. Late game tsaka early hawak ko dito.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed! May our dreams burn as bright as these flames!
Game na. Uy, nandito. Paano ko daw, tol? Magapana yun, ha? Ah, hindi, ang tanim lang yun. Wala pang pana yun. Sige, tol. Layo ka muna, tol. Parang hindi ka magkati ng level.
Not taking orders. Here's another chart topper.
Berries. Sino ba itong berries? Dota.
The world is our stage.
Hindi na pinag-aagawan na ata. Gagawin mo ng halabi.
Time to spice it up. I spot a super fan out there.
Aray ko. Galing nga, ah. Gege nga. Takot siya sumagupa sa akin, ah.
Time for my solo. Warm up. Already on fire.
Nabigyan ko to. Ano to? Irang nga yung indoor drones. Ito pa, isa pa to. Uy, gago, ang galing.
The
Liker, ah.
world is our stage.
Dito. Dito sila yan.
Way off key. The next performance will be even hotter. Here's another chart topper.
Kunin mo na to, tol. May retry ka.
Time for my solo. An ally slaying the turtle. I spot a super fan out there. Turn up the volume. Take a breather, everyone. Invading jungle. Ready for slain an enemy. Every tear fuels us to burn even brighter.
Timikin nga natin tong Selena na to.
I'm not a princess anymore. Just call me Fanny John.
Wala, tol.
Free. You wanted an autograph? Just ask.
Ang mana. Tang nag-surrender. Ano yun? Nice G. Binagbog ba naman?
Victory!
demon in the fan seeks to keep me.